Hi everyone, I will show you how to remove Instagram followers without blocking. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap your following. Now you can see which I follow the accounts. If I need to remove my following list, then tap the following option. Now you can see I will be removed from my following list. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.